Welcome to Rob Talks. Thank you all for your support. Here's the translation from the Mayan calendar for January 15, 2026 for all three calendars. First up is the long count calendar, which is being represented by 13 Baktun, 0 Katun, 13 Tun, 1 Winal and the 7 Kin. This long count position emphasizes pausing at the center. It is the moment of recalibration between movement and rest, where truth becomes clear through stillness rather than action. The 7 Kin reflects the center point, reflection, and spiritual alignment. Today asks you to listen more than push. Insight comes when you allow yourself to stand at the center of your experience without rushing to change it. This is a day for spiritual alignment, not external urgency. You're being asked to create quiet space for reflection, and to step back before making decisions, also to observe patterns without judgment, and to let clarity emerge naturally. Before I move on to the Tzolk'in calendar, I'm also translating the entire Tzolk'in 13-day cycle in its own video. If you're interested, I'll link it at the end of this one. Today's Tzolk'in date is 11x. X is represented by the jaguar. It's about intuition, magic, earth wisdom, and the sacred feminine power. The number 11 is a number of release, refinement, and the shedding of what no longer aligns. Together, 11x is a deeply mystical and intuitive day. The jaguar walks between worlds, reminding you that true power is quiet, rooted, and inwardly aligned, and the number 11 releases distractions so intuition can sharpen. This is a day to trust what you feel rather than what you're being or have been told. You're being asked to follow intuitive nudges without explanation, and to release environments or conversations that drain energy. This is also a time to honor your inner knowing without seeking validation. Now let's see what the Hob calendar has to say. Today's date is 2 Sek. Sek is about cleansing, reordering, and the restoring of harmony. Day 2 is about duality, awareness, and gentle adjustments. 2 Sek continues the purification cycle by revealing where balance is slightly off. This is not about major change, it's about noticing subtle misalignments, and gently correcting them. This is subtle but powerful purification. You're being asked to make small adjustments to restore harmony, and to address something which you've been postponing. This is also a good day to balance rest with responsibility, and to simplify one area of your life. Now let's look at what the collective message is from all three calendars. Here's the meaning of each calendar summed up. The long count is about standing at the center and realigning yourself spiritually, and the Tzolk'in is about trusting your intuition and releasing external noise. The Hob calendar guides you to restore balance through gentle course correction. Together this day teaches us that wisdom arises when intuition, stillness, and balance meet. Today carries a collective energy of quiet realignment and intuitive clarity. We are being asked to slow reactive cycles and to return to inner truth. When we listen inwardly, collective harmony becomes possible. Remember, stillness restores what force cannot. You're being guided to know that you don't need to prove your power today, you just need to feel it. You're also being encouraged to believe that your intuition is guiding you precisely, so trust the pause, trust the quiet, but most importantly, trust yourself. Here's an affirmation reflecting today's calendars, but please first remember to give us a thumbs up and to subscribe to help us grow. Thank you. Now here's the affirmation. I trust my intuition. I stand centered, balanced, and aligned with my inner truth. Thank you all for your support.